Alrighty guys, I got the last bolt off. The only tricky bolt you're going to have a real problem with, personally, is the one right by this one here, right by the power steering pump. And this one right here. This one you kind of got to feel for it. So when you're seeing this and it's on your motor, you'll see this bolt right here. Right below it is that one. And you're going to have to feel around for it, but just keep in mind that you have to make sure you take this post out too. You won't take this water pump off without taking this that post out. Which that post went right by the air plug. So perfect. See that? That's exactly where you don't take that off, it ain't coming off. Just so you know. And this is how you bleed your system. So when you do fill this back up, you want to let it get up to a little bit of operating temperature, let that thermostat open it, and then crack this open and let all the air come out until liquid comes out. Once antifreeze comes out, no more air bubbles, you can close that off and you'll be pretty much good to go. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, this whole thing moves up and down. Let's see if I can pull this out. Looks like that's gonna pull right out. Alrighty, I'm on my way to getting that lower radiator hose off, and then I'll be good to go. Alrighty, it's working to pull this out. Is just getting a screwdriver underneath there and wiggling it, and it's pulling it right out. Just to show you guys a real quick little helpful tip.